Business case structure. Let's now see how the typical business case looks like in terms of structure. Your business case might not need everything we talk about in this video, but it's good to think about what's needed in advance. First, you have the executive summary. It must include the business need and the solution you are proposing to decision makers, the results you expect from the solution, and what decision needs to be taken. Make sure the document is written with your key stakeholder in mind. Nobody likes reading a document where they feel they're not being spoken to. Next comes the introduction, where the business drivers are described, the processes and resources the solution will need, the scope of the assignment, its objectives, and the financial metrics you'll use, which basically means describing the cost-benefit analysis method deployed for assessing the solution's organizational value. Options is the next section, which details the different approaches you're suggesting for meeting the business need that was identified at the beginning of the business case. If you are pitching your solution to a customer, you will compare two solutions, yours and doing nothing. Yes, doing nothing has a cost. Next comes the analysis and assessment section. Here you cover any remaining assumptions as well as listing all known constraints, the results of your cost-benefit analysis exercise, the costs and benefits tied to the solution that is. Then come the risks that have been identified, the probability and impact of the corresponding risks, and any opportunity costs, which are the hidden expenditures for doing nothing. The conclusion should include a list of all the next steps that need to be taken, that is, an overview of the actual solution under review. The components of a business case may change depending on the template or methodology used, but the essential elements are going to stay the same. Depending on a number of solutions you might be evaluating, the business case could be part of a larger decision-making document. At the end of the document, make sure you include a call to action, which will be the decision you want your stakeholders to make. There you have it. Executive summary, document introduction, the options, analysis, and your call to action. Your business case structure.